That thing look delicious. Yeah. What y'all know about that? Ooh-wee. Look what we got here. Bang, 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 bang. Got big old juicy turkey legs. We about to do them up today. We gonna do them real simple. Put them on the smoker. Salt and pepper with some lemon pepper. That's all we using. But we're gonna throw some vegetables in the end to wrap it up and stuff like that. So it's gonna be so simple how to get them fall off the bone tender. All right, let's go. All right, number one thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our turkey legs. Ooh, about a cup of vinegar up in there. All right, let me go put some water in here to go with this vinegar. Be right back. We're just gonna let that submerge up in there for about 30 minutes. All right, we got our Diamond Crystal kosher salt. Let's get these ingredients going. A tablespoon kosher salt here. Bam, like that. Got that lemon pepper. Let me see, let's do a tablespoon of lemon pepper. Fresh ground black pepper. Let's do a teaspoon of that. And that's it. Dry these babies off. This is gonna be so simple, y'all. So simple. Y'all be like, anybody can do this. All right. So we're gonna use this avocado oil as our binder. So you can use anything as your binder. You can use olive oil. You can use Pam, vegetable oil, whatever floats your boat. Put them over there. Woo. Pay too much money for this avocado oil. I need to get all of it, baby. All right. Commence the seasoning. Ooh, that pepper popping off everywhere. Everybody love lemon pepper, right? All right, y'all. So that's it. You know what I'm saying? We're going to let this just go overnight because we're getting up in the morning for the heat wave. Get on outside, fire up that smoker, and I'll let y'all see what we do from there. Simple has been better as my experiment. Like I just been using on some meats, just salt only or just salt and pepper. The smokiness that gets on the meats, whoo. So I'm going to start showing y'all that, you know. I'll be experimenting, you know, before I jump out the window, you know what I'm saying? But I'll see y'all tomorrow. Got some oak wood. Let it come up to temp. We're trying to get up to 250 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, looks like we're up to temp. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go for about 2 hours, let these big old things smoke, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap them for the next step, get them tenderized, and they're gonna be so juicy, y'all. Be right back in a couple hours. Peeps, we've been rocking an hour. Oh man, it's looking that pretty already. Ooh, flippity flip. Ooh. I see y'all back in an hour to wrap it up. All right, folks, time to go to our next level of flavor. See, when it's looking pretty like that, you can't lose. I got jalapeno peppers, red peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers, onions, garlic, and some butter to help tenderize this and finish our last step. All right, let's go. Turkey leg number 2. Sell this like this, yeah. It's about to go for like $30. All right, he's going back on the smoker for another 2 hours. All right, my good people, let's see what we got. 4.5 hours on the smoker, 2 hours unwrapped, 2.5 hours wrapped. And these ended up getting up to 205 degrees internal. we, that thing look delicious. Yeah, trying to know about that. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get some dinner plated up with this. Some red beans and rice. Do a little taste test. See how we did. Be right back. Yeah, baby. Get that rice. Hot beans, fresh off the stove. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, baby, those just look like when you go to one of the restaurants, it'd be like, can I get y'all a large turkey leg platter with everything? But first of all, let me see how this turkey just tastes by itself. It looks so delicious. Just right. Now, baby, you gotta come on, get on up on them and show the people. Let's see, let them see all that. Look at all that goodness. You know, all the vegetables and everything. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, yeah. Y'all hear my sexy voice? I'm talking to it real sexy. All right. So now, let's see how it tastes. Get some beans up in here. That's it there. That's it there. Camera lady, she hungry. She getting jealous. Looking at it through that 4K. Man, I'll be jealous too. All right. Much appreciation, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to catch y'all back on the next one. Please like this video. I'm out.